Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to turn off background apps on Android 16. Let's begin. Now, this might depend on type of device you have, but most Android 16 devices should work the same way. First, you want to go to your current background running applications, and then you want to hit a button for removing all of them. I'm currently on Google Pixel, and for me, this button is on the left. On most devices, it's like a trash bin icon, somewhere in the middle, maybe somewhere up, I'm not entirely sure, but all of these buttons do the same. They clear all background applications. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.